Hi guys, dressing gown first thing in the morning. Thing is, it's 8:30 now, but I've been up and pottering since about 5. Fell asleep earlier than I intended to in the recliner though, which we fixed. So now I've literally been doing just a little bit sorting around about the garage, getting things ready for what's going today. You know when they say you've got jobs piling up out the door? Yeah, this is the door. And that's the thing when working with the tree surgeons. Last bit of oak, might be a bit of magnolia. Sycamore, big spalted sycamore that's just starting to crack. Apple, 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 apple. Magnolia, a vine, don't know what's going to happen there. Apple, beech, magnolia. Oh, look at that magnolia, better get moving on that before that split opens up. Bit more beech, magnolia, magnolia, magnolia. So today, and probably tomorrow, and probably the day after, and probably the rest of the week, I'm going to be wet turning. Just trying to rescue this, get it into bowl form. This is a day where I could do with a second battery pack for my Airshield Pro. But yeah, looking forward to it. I like wet turning, big chips, all good fun. See you later. Hi guys, so yeah, it's Sunday. As you can see, we are still set up and filming wet turning marathon. As you can see, a pile of wet shavings under the lathe, which is there stabilising the rough turn bowl blanks that I've spent 9 days doing. I'm sorry about my darting my eyes all over, but the camera's not where you'd expect the camera to be. Not where my brain wants the camera to be. This week has been wet wood. Still plenty of on the floor. You've probably seen the Instagram videos and probably been on Facebook stories as well. It has literally been just getting that wood processed. I've been coming home on days that we've done a bit of tree surgery, so knackered with half a tree or a full tree in the back of the van that it's just got placed outside. But yes, so upcoming projects. Once all of the wood's out of the way, I'm gonna be turning some of the nice blanks that we've been donated. As far as today goes, we're at 6ish, bar the shouting. I've not had any food yet today. I'm not bothered. I don't normally eat till late, and then I can go into a nice little sleepy food coma, which helps with the insomnia. So today it's probably go through some more of the wood there, getting down towards the spindle turning stuff. Might knock a goblet out, though I'm thinking of saving that for the live on Saturday. I don't know. I'm gonna get back to it, do another bowl, pop some food in, come back, do another bowl, eat my food, bit of telly, sleep, sharpen everything, clean everything, get these blanks, these rough turned bowls, get these sealed up with glue and stored somewhere, I've no idea. yeah, we've PVA'd those. Still got access to the lathe, so able to do a little bit of turning if we want to. Am I glad that all this wet turning's nearing an end? Don't know, I've really enjoyed it, I've learned a lot. And I have noticed as well on some of the later ones, I've got a much nicer sweep to the bottom, which is good. Anyway, I can hear a knocking, I don't know what it is, better go and check it. And that's about the shape of this week, a bit of everything. Right, catch you in a bit. Ta-ra.